we're Kyle's playtime, and we are looking at the magnificent fireworks display. Kyle, stop! Don't touch me. Actually, looks better in person and not in video. Oh, look, they're coming towards us, Kyle. They're gonna bomb us. They're gonna bomb us. No, they aren't.
That's coming near us.
Is it gonna be a flag now?
That's a young bed. What?
1776. Hey, that was the year I was born, Kyle.
1776?
That's when I was born.
No, it wasn't. That was, you did not. Dad, that was that Yoga got independence, right?
Yeah. You hear the music now, can't you?
Is it coming towards us?
Feels like it is.
Maybe just getting bigger.
I kind of like this better than fireworks because it's not so loud. I agree.
They turning into?
Liberty Bell, I bet. What do you think?
I can hear the music.
I could hear it too. Oh, it's an eagle head. Eagly.
They should have a live music person singing the Star Spangled Banner.
You sing it then.
I'm an export.
What do you think the next thing they're gonna make?
An Army Man hat.
I think it's gonna be a Liberty Bell, maybe,
Statue of Liberty.
or the state. Statue of Liberty, you're right. It could be the actual United States the next one. Show the whole country. You might sit down in your real seat and see how it looks from down there. Is that Mickey Mouse? No. It was the Liberty Bell. See, I told you a bell's gonna come.
What did that thing do for milk?
That's what they rang the bell.
For what?
For liberty and justice for all.
If I had an actual bell, that'd be goofy. And I winged it.
It's like it's right in front of us. What do you think the next shape's gonna be?
The country.
I think the country's a good one.
A map.
What else is American?
The American flag.
Oh yeah, did they do the flag yet? Is it a rocket?
It's a missile.
It's a barber pole.
It's a missile from a rocket launcher.
It's going up. That's the exhaust.
Please say that's the country.
Is it Abraham Lincoln?
How come?
Looks like it's a head. I don't know. No, I don't know what it is now. I'll stop that. Okay? Oh, they're gonna they disappear, but they're gonna come back.
I think that is one of my teeth. Daddy, I think one of my teeth fell out.
No way. Is it in your hand? I don't have it. This is not a tooth. Feel it. Tooth is bigger than that. I think. Oh, what's this gonna do? Say Happy 4th of July? Oh, it's a state, it's a country. Remember, we were just talking about that, Kyle. That's the USA. You going back down? Okay, there's your flag. Okay, wait a second. Don't drop your shoes.
What's that?
I don't know.
A gun?
Oh, it looks like a roller coaster or something. Oh, that's the Redondo Beach flag. Isn't that the flag of Redondo Beach?
Oh yeah!
Right? Because that's the dock and then that's the boat for Redondo Beach. It's because say Redondo Beach. You see it? Do you see it? Look. Boom. And what if I paid them to say Kyle? Kyle's Playtime. Watch Kyle's Playtime at YouTube.
That'd be dumb.
Well, it's almost 10 minutes. It's supposed to be a 10-minute show. Just gonna say thank you. For 2023. What do you think? Dolphin.
For Dolphin Cove.
Hey, you're slipping, Kyle.
They should do the California flag.
They might.